Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, this is gonna be a short video. Just want to show you guys how to make money on Pinterest using a free website called Shopstyle. This is Shopstyle. It's a website that allows you to get paid per clicks. So they are partner with different shopping websites from different company, and your job is to promote it. When you promote it, every time someone click it and your clicks are unique, you get paid per click. So just want to show you guys. So they pay you per click. It's a per click program, but if someone buys the product, you don't get paid. So it's per click. So you get paid up to 5 cents per click. Okay, guys. So per click, 5 cents. All right. So I have an image here. I just want to create an image. Another thing you can do to make your image pop on Pinterest, I'm going to be using Pinterest to upload this. So I'm going to create a design on Canva. Now, Canva is a free website where you can create image. I'm sure a lot of you know about Canva. Almost every um, affiliate marketing person knows about Canva. So I'm sure it's free to sign up for Canva. They have the pro plan, but you don't need to go to the pro plan. If you want to do more, you can use the pro plan, but just using the free plan is okay to achieve whatever you want to do online. So Canva is great for creating image, beautiful image, any kind of image you want. Canva is all you need for that. And then Pinterest. Everyone knows Pinterest. It's free social media site where you upload beautiful images, and it's very easy to. So I have a product. I like to make my image up bigger size, or so that will pop up on Pinterest. But you don't have to do that. That is a choice. I'm going to upload this image on Canva. Let's see. So I'm going to upload this image on Canva so I use a dimension 900 by 1000. So this is to make it pop because I want people to click on this, you know. So yeah, let's see. Okay, maybe. Um, okay, let me see if I can make a. Sorry, guys, I should have the image design, but I just want. Okay, so since my background is already a white background, so you just make it. She's popping. You can change your background. Let me see if I change the background. She has a brown, so maybe a lighter brown would be good. See, let me see. I'm not the best designer on background. But let me see what I can do here. I want to make it lighter, not to be too dark. I think I like that one better. You want to make it pop, but I think I'm going to make it maybe like this. That kind of matches her, I think. Oh, I could use a different image. Oh, I think, you know what? I think a white background would be best for her because from the look of it, yeah, I think she's okay. And you can use a much better design. This is just for demonstration purposes. I just say. So let me leave it on the uh, white background. Say Shopify. It's got the website is called Shopstyle. You can see shopstylecollective.com. So go there and sign up. It's free to sign up. And that's it. So Shopstyle. This is for demonstration. So I'm just gonna download this quickly to my computer. It's for just demonstrative. You can do this with any other image. It's not just Shopify. So any image you have, you want to promote on Pinterest to make your image pop up, just use a custom dimension, or you just go to You just go to canva.com and type in Pinterest, and you're going to have already made templates, for Pinterest on different part of Pinterest sizes. So you can go make that easy for you. So it's easy to do. So, okay, so that's why you choose the template. So now I'm just gonna go over to Pinterest, just upload, create a see share. Okay, we just upload this quickly. So guys, that's all I need to do. You upload it. See the difference. Normally when I first save the email, so I just keep it like that. It's how I want it, but I did open. Hold on. Let me just go to that website. Yeah, I need to copy the title of the product. So you can go to the link of the website and get you the detail. So I'm just gonna here add my link here so that I don't forget about it. You can see it's pretty easy to do. My computer is a bit slow. Sorry guys. When you need it, that's when it messes up. Come on, I need to see the title. Oh here. Click on oh right here. It just looks so small, it's hard to see. This will just depend on the company, their title, what they write. So copy the title and put here. See, just copy. Okay, that's it. So I have my information here. Then I just click a board. I can publish it on any board because I actually have a lot of board to submit this on. Okay, my pin is to see how easy it is to do, guys. Go sign up Pinterest.com. It's easy. And you go to Shopsite Collective.com, easy site to sign up and start making money per click. I have a app called Tailwind. You can schedule your pin. But for now, this is for demonstration, so I'm gonna just submit to different board. So guys, I would like to guys to go down below this video and check out the links there. I do sell Christian t-shirts, just a bonus for you guys. I mean, if you're a Christian, I don't know your religion, but you can get yourself some nice t-shirt design that has inspirational, motivational, positive quote on it. Think about it. When you wear t-shirt like this, people read what is on it, they are inspired. You want to spread positivity out there, guy, as a Christian. Thank you. Where was I? Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Um, God bless you all for watching. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.